Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 4650 peak watt portable generator is a robust and reliable power solution that caters to both outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners looking for backup power. With a peak wattage of 4650 and a running wattage of 3700, this generator stands out for its capability to handle various appliances and tools effectively. One of its most impressive features is the RV-ready 30A outlet, making it an excellent choice for camping trips or tailgating events. It ensures that you can power up your RV without any hassle. The generator is gas-powered, allowing for efficient operation. Its 3.4-gallon fuel tank provides up to 13 hours of runtime at 50% load, which is particularly impressive for those who need extended power during outages or outdoor adventures. The generator comes with a lightweight design, weighing only about 110 pounds, making it relatively easy to transport. It has a sturdy handle and two wheels, which facilitate movement across various terrains. The built-in digital display is user-friendly, providing crucial information such as remaining runtime, voltage output, and frequency, ensuring that you can monitor the generator's performance at a glance. Noise levels are also commendable, with a rating of 52 dBA, which is quieter than many competing models. This quieter operation adds to its appeal for camping or residential use where noise could be a concern. Additionally, the generator features an automatic low-oil shutdown and circuit protection, which enhances safety and prolongs the unit's life. Despite its many strengths, some users might find the assembly process a bit cumbersome, and the included tools may not be sufficient for all tasks. However, once set up, the Westinghouse 4650 operates smoothly and reliably. Overall, this generator is an excellent investment for anyone needing a portable power solution, combining efficiency, durability, and ease of use in one compact package.